So we're taking a look at the WORKPRO 12-volt cordless drill driver. Now I had this for a couple of weeks and been using it for odd jobs around the house. And instead of doing a regular review video just talking about it, let's do a real world repair that I need to get done. So this is a USB drill. You charge it with your USB-C type cord. Here it is. It's not too big, but it's very powerful for the size. I was looking for something a little bit more convenient, a little bit more compact than my larger drill bit. So the battery, 12 volt, charges up nice. It's got forward and reverse. It's got up to 17 here in the clutch. This is where you could adjust the power. It's got a little light here. This way you can see where you're going if you're in a tight dark space. And I really like it. So it comes with drill bits. It comes with a couple screwdriver bits, but I'm gonna use my aftermarket drill bit holder. So the repair that we're gonna do here is on this tennis ball cart, and a wheel had cracked. This plastic part has cracked. I don't know why. So we're going to use the drill to make the repair. So first thing we want to do is take out this screw. So I'm going to enlarge the hole, fit my bit in, clamp it down. Change my clutch, more firm. We're going to reverse it and remove the screw. Nice trigger. If you press the trigger light, it goes slow. If you press it fast, it goes fast. So it gives you nice control. And that's all we need there. So we'll put this to the side and let's see if that plastic piece I got the plastic piece out. So it cracked like that. Should I glue this? So I'm going to attempt to glue this up. Let's get it nice and thick on there. Got nothing to lose. So I don't know if this is going to be enough. So we're going to put a self-tapping screw. We're going to put this to the side, let that set. So I found 2 screws that I'm going to put in. So these should go in, and we'll put it at the corner and see if this holds it. So I say around there. We're just gonna eyeball it. So I'm gonna use the bits that it came with. So we're gonna remove this. I'm gonna put our bit in there that's provided for the WORKPRO. So it's going right. So let's start drilling, see if we can make a hole. Let's go to the side here. Cut like butter. Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, so that looks like about the right size hole. So we're gonna make another one here. So this is aluminum, and this is a pretty decent bit. So I'm pretty happy with that. theory, this should go in there, and that looks like it's gonna fit just fine. So this is setting up. Let's put it in there anyway. So got the main screw hole here that's gonna go through there. There, we got that there. We're gonna put our DeWalt bit holder back. We're gonna go nice and easy, putting these here. Right there. So that alone feels like a solid fix. But we're not done yet. So this is really going to be the bulletproof fix. This will hold it in place. We're taking the broken one and we're making it what I feel twice as strong. And we'll just cinch that up. Now we're going to put our second screw here, just to be super redundant. This way we don't have to come back and deal with this again. There you have it. Look at this. Better than what I thought. Let's take a closer look at the repair here. So we got the original screw going through the hole, which we repaired with the plastic and the glue. I don't know if that's going to hold too strong, but we have our screws into the existing plastic, 2 screws into the aluminum, and I would say that is super fixed. So I'm going to spray a little grease here in the bearings, a little grease here, just to make the fix even better. And this is all possible with a great tool like this, great to keep around the house. And for interiors of cars, I use this. For inside the house, it's not the most heavy duty, but sometimes you don't want to break out the heavy duty, or the heavy duties in the toolbox in the garage. And this, it'll be nice in the pantry or in the hall closet, you know, or the home toolbox. So I really like this, and I'm glad I got it, and you'll probably be glad you pick one up too. They come in different colors, I believe. You could get the pink one for all the ladies out there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.